Hey, I'm David, this is Robin and Keegan. We are Consider the Wonders, and we are here today to open a very special box that we got in the mail from our friends at Ring's Great Adventure. They are down in Australia, and so the reason they shipped us this special box is because they wanted us to experience a little bit of the food from their country, given that we can't easily and quickly get to Australia.
Yeah.
And so,
even though we've always wanted to go there.
yes,
So
it's
bad.
definitely, it's on the to-do list.
And what are we supposed to do after we open this box?
Oh yeah, tell everybody what we're supposed to be doing.
After I open it, we're supposed to eat some of the food
We're supposed to send some treats from America
to someone who can't come here.
to someone else. That's right.
That's right, so if you're the lucky recipient of our box, you'll be getting some delicious treats, and hopefully you'll stick around to see what those treats are. Let's open this mystery box and find out what's inside. Ring's Great Adventure, living like there's no tomorrow. It's a really cool box. Open it up. Start the unveiling.
Oh, there's a letter. Good day, David, Robin, and Keegan. We really hope you enjoyed this box of Aussie goodies. We hope it puts a smile on your dial. The hope of the box is that it continues to go from country to country, and who knows how far it will travel.
All right, we're going to jump right into it. Let's see. The first thing that's on the very top are Pods. Pods Mars?
Huh?
I've never heard of Pods Mars.
It looks like a cookie crust with chocolate inside.
Okay.
No, pretty good.
I see what you're doing here. Alan's Chicos.
It's like a person.
These are Alan's Chicos.
I feel bad. I bit this guy's head off.
The chocolate flavor is a little different. I'm
Mine,
not used to that chocolate flavor.
it's like a little too chewy. Like
It is very chewy. Oven baked, not fried. Shapes Original Barbecue.
These remind me of those Ritz
Oh man,
crispy things.
that's good. Okay. I'm going to get the second one here,
You're spicy. You're spicy.
just to make sure I do like it.
That's good.
Tiny
That
Teddy's
sounds
chocolate
like
chip.
Teddy Grahams.
It
Like
does sound
Teddy
like
Grahams like we have here.
And there's a tiny Teddy's chocolate.
All right.
Oh, they have, there's two different flavors.
Oh, what do you got?
Okay, there's chocolate,
Also,
And chocolate chip.
chocolate, and chocolate chip.
they're
Okay.
dabbing! They're dabbing!
They're
What?
dabbing.
He's not dabbing.
Wait, what's a dab?
Yeah, show us what a dab is.
No.
This is like Teddy Grahams.
Like a telegram. Yeah. We have something very similar here in the States.
Cherry ripe?
The old cherry ripe.
I'm not a fan of cherries, so.
But if it's ripe,
Wow.
it's like red on the inside. Is that coconut?
Chocolate, coconut, and strawberries. What's that a cherry?
Maybe it's a little ripe.
You not like it?
Nope.
Hard
No,
pass?
thank you.
A Nestle Milo. We're going to find out what a Nestle Milo is. Is this our dinner?
Yeah.
Looks like a Rice Krispie treat.
It does
It
feel
does.
like a Rice Krispie treat.
It tastes like nothing.
Okay.
So I love it.
It's a source of fiber.
Oh, wow. Can't wait for that. Alan's Fantails.
Fantails? It looks like a little square dipped in chocolate.
Oh, oh.
What?
Don't bite into that with your front teeth.
I'm good.
Oh man. Oh, that is hard. I think I made a mistake going all in. Mentais? Is that right? Mentais? So this one's weird to me because the wrapper literally has a guy sitting on the toilet. Not really sure what that means, but
Mine doesn't have a guy sitting on a toilet.
look at that.
Oh, wow.
And mine literally has the catchphrase, "It's moments like these you need."
I'm scared now.
I'm a little
chocolate.
unsure.
I don't know if I want this moment.
Caramel.
Man, that candy is super hard.
Don't try.
Oh.
Spit it out. Spit it out.
Oh,
spit
it's
it
not
out.
what I thought at all. It's like a peppermint.
Oh wow.
I can smell it.
It's like those peppermints you get at Christmas.
Yeah.
Those like candy cane
Yep. They're
peppermints.
kind of, yep.
Man, it tastes just like that. It's
Mhm.
good. I just wasn't expecting it to be a peppermint.
Do you like caramel?
Yes.
I do like caramel.
Let's say this is smooth flour caramel.
Okay.
Mini chocolate with smooth flour caramel.
Carmelo koala.
I have a
And
feeling this is going to be delicious.
There's chocolate and caramel.
Mine's delicious. It's
Oh.
all chocolate.
Why did we not eat this first? We've only got a couple more things,
Okay.
so let's keep this party going. So it looks like we have some Saxa seasoned chicken salt. I'm not really sure what this is, but apparently you put it on chicken for seasoning. That's just a guess.
Are we supposed to do that?
I don't think so.
Vegetarian
Maybe this is just a...
Thanks for the seasoning.
Yeah, we'll use this at some point. Candy Market musk sticks. Is there a certain way we're supposed to eat this?
I don't know.
Just bite it.
What
All
is
right.
this?
This is a
not
musk
musk.
stick. What's a musk stick?
Ow!
Apparently nerdy is what it is.
It's
On
not.
the floor.
It's not terrible. It's not bad. And it's soft.
Okay.
It's nice.
It's not terrible. It's not bad. Daryl Lee Bullets Milk Chocolate Licorice. It looks like a... It
Pill.
really
It
looks
looks
like a pill.
chill pill. It looks like a
It looks
chill
like
pill.
a pill.
Chill.
Oh,
This is so gross.
I'm gonna put this in our storage facility right under here.
Oh, that's gross.
Oh no!
Oh, and I don't like licorice,
And
but
chocolate.
the chocolate makes it worse.
Tim Tams are apparently really good. So we're
Like
supposed to be
brownies?
drinking it with like
Coffee.
hot coffee.
Okay, so we need to make coffee.
I guess so. Let's make
Okay.
some coffee.
Not even that. Whoa, that is big.
While we're waiting on our coffee,
Sprinkles!
we also got Bright Sprinkles and Vegemite. With Vegemite, I know that you're supposed to put it on bread. Like, you know, spread it.
Like peanut butter and
So let's
milk?
just get some bread. Vegemite. If you've never had Vegemite, I had it once when I was in college. So it's been a very, well, not very long time, but it's been a minute.
It's been a long time.
What does the internet say about Vegemite? Should we
Let's
look?
look it up. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Beep.
Lightly spread on toast or crackers along with some butter.
Okay, toast.
Okay,
And
lightly.
butter.
Lightly is the key term here.
Aren't
Like
we
chicken,
supposed to eat these also?
But I think it just goes on
Bread.
on just bread and butter.
And butter.
That
Not
on bread and butter
toasted?
too?
Not toasted.
Okay.
This on bread and butter?
Yeah, so these are the bright sprinkles. These are the special birthday treat, like when they were kids. This is what, like, so normally in America, like, kids usually have cupcakes or maybe even like a
Cake.
big cake. But there, apparently, it's a piece of bread with butter and sprinkles on it.
I mean, look at
So,
the little character on it. It literally is a cupcake. So buttered up. Butter that bread.
Butter
Okay.
sprinkles.
Hey, don't be bashful on the sprinkles, girl.
Yeah, sprinkle it.
There we go. All right. Now we're talking. Now it's a party.
Now it's a party time. Na, na, na.
And
it's good.
Mm-hmm.
that is pretty good.
I'm eating it all.
You're gonna eat it all.
I ate it all.
A little turn with some Vegemite.
All buttered up. Are you ready for this?
I'm scared.
Wow. Vegemite's good.
Is it?
Doesn't that just look
Ew.
so
Aren't
good?
we supposed to be lightly?
Ew.
That's not light.
You ready?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think-
Bottoms up.
Mommy,
Cheers.
Mommy, I'll have to. Okay. You're spitting out! Don't eat it! Don't eat it! Don't eat it!
Oh, why did I take such a big bite? Oh! That's.
Alright.
Love you, Australia.
Mmm. Mmm. So good.
Woo!
Hold on. Oh my word, that is the worst. Mwah, mwah. Thumbs down on the Vegemite.
I'm not gonna burn.
No,
I
I'm
need
not gonna
like-
mind.
I need like some.
Some goodness. Eat something good! Eat something good to help you live!
Like something to take the taste away.
So when you don't eat Vegemite, you go back to the brights. Let's get us a nice hot coffee. I think you're supposed to bite like a corner.
Oh, yeah.
And then drink some coffee.
Bite a little bit off the corner, and then bite another corner, the opposite corner.
This is gonna be really
These are good.
These are really good. You're supposed to like drink the coffee through the Tim Tam, through the opening.
How do I do that?
If you're good, you're supposed to be able to just like throw it in your mouth, but
I can't do it.
Just eat it.
just hammer it back.
Just eat it.
Just eat it now.
With the
Yeah, just eat
it's
it.
hot.
Too bad.
Just bite.
Bye.
It's really good.
And that's a happy ending for all. We tasted mostly good stuff and about 3 to 5 bad stuff.
All of the Australian treats were definitely welcome,
Yes, thank
For
you
sure.
so much.
regardless of if we liked
Like
them
them
or not. But we're grateful that we were able to try them and just experience something different.
Yeah, we're just so grateful that we were even being considered
Yeah.
by Virginia and Brendan. Again, Ring's Great Adventure. Thank you so much for just considering us and giving us this opportunity.
Now it's time
Go.
for us
Uh-huh.
to
Make up some stuff to deliver to the other people. Thingy.
yes, to
Something like
send
that.
some things to another country. So let's get ready for that.
All right, we are now going to give or re-gift this box that we received for
Regift. We're not regifting anything because we ate it all.
Just kidding. We're going to now send a brand new box full of delicious treats
From America.
from America to our good friends Kelby and Adam, our Life Through a Lens, and they are down in South Africa. We want to highlight at least 3 things that I think are very important, just so you kind of get some basic understanding of how
To eat
You
them?
should eat them.
you should eat them, or how we eat them. You eat them however you want to,
Right.
but this is how we in America eat them. The first thing,
Is
and one of the most essential things, is Easy Cheese. It literally says Easy Cheese American on it.
Because it's so easy.
Because it's from
There are
America.
lots of different varieties, but I had to get the American cheese version.
How you eat Easy Cheese. So once you take the cap off, you
it
get
looks
this.
like that.
So we also will give you a,
Crackers.
we call,
sleeve of
we call these
crackers.
sleeves of crackers. I don't know why it's a sleeve, but that's just what we call it. You can either put it there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, give
Press down.
this a good shake. Okay, that's good. And then squeeze a little. Oh gosh. Oh. Ah! Watch out. Just kind of squeeze it out like that.
Please.
And
And then you eat it.
bon appetit. Cheers.
What's another way you can eat easy cheese?
You can literally take it like this and go.
Oh, you got a little out.
Ew. Disgusting.
The second thing we're going to do, peanut butter and marshmallow cream. And so you combine these two, kind of like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, which we eat a lot here in the States. But instead of jelly, we're replacing it with marshmallow cream.
Take some peanut butter.
Take some of the peanut butter, which we will give you.
We spread it
Just
on.
make a sandwich.
Spread it on.
Yeah.
How hard is
it? I just want to
Oh, it's so good. Look at that.
Can I?
Now, had you ever had peanut butter and marshmallow cream before you met me?
Never. I've never had it because my life was just an empty void of sadness. But then once I got married and once I met Robin, she introduced me to marshmallow cream, and my life has been a lot better, and that's why I have a little bit more extra weight on me maybe. I'm just eating this stuff all the time. It's so good.
Don't know. We need to cut that
You burnt.
so that we can all have some.
That marshmallow cream, that does it to me every time. Combine these two with some bread, and you will have a wonderful time. The last thing that we're going to show you that we're putting in the box,
S'mores.
s'mores.
Very American to have s'mores around the campfire. Typically, if you're camping or you have a campfire, you would actually put this marshmallow on a stick and you would toast it on the fire, which really is the best way to do it. And then you would take a graham cracker and you would place a graham cracker with either chocolate or Reese's peanut butter cup.
So we're going to give you both options.
If you do not have a campfire and you're at home, you can just make it in the microwave. Or if you have a gas stove, I guess you could turn on your gas stove. And
Yeah, if you don't have a campfire in your home, congratulations.
I will be eating the chocolate kind. Ooh, chocolate.
so we're going to do graham cracker.
And then which one? Chocolate?
Let's do chocolate. And I didn't realize how ginormous these marshmallows were, so I'm
Ginormous.
probably going to send you some smaller ones.
Not the ginormous size.
Yeah.
In America and in Texas, we go big. Graham cracker down, then we put a bit of chocolate down, then we're going to put the marshmallow on top. This is so big.
So big.
That marshmallow on top, and then once we heat this marshmallow up, we'll push
I
this
feel like
graham
we should
cracker
cut that
down.
marshmallow in half.
Yeah.
Just cut it.
No,
Yes.
just go ridiculous.
Yes.
That is so ridiculous.
Yes.
That's the most
Yeah.
absurd. Okay,
Then we're going to put it in the microwave.
we're going to put it in the microwave
And I'm
because
gonna eat a
We don't have
marshmallow.
campfire.
the results are in. There you go.
Oh my
Look at this bad boy right here.
god. Oh my god.
This is what happens. Oh yeah, look at that. That gooey goodness. Oh gosh. Look at all that gooing out. Oh my word. It's gooing out everywhere.
It's so good.
These are a wonderful campfire tradition that we have all had in our lives. I mean, I had it when I was growing up. You had it growing up. Our daughter now has it growing up. We definitely consider this to be a staple. So, that said, these are at least 3 things that we're going to send inside of the box.
Yep. There'll be more things in the box as well, and we can't wait for you to try those as well. Make sure that you let us know when you're trying them so we can watch.
For sure. Yeah, we definitely want to see the video that you create, eating the stuff that we send you, and definitely look forward to hearing your feedback. Again, want to know if you like it, if you don't like it.
And we hope that after you have tried, oh my gosh, that after you've tried all of the treats and the things that we have sent you, that you will send the box to someone else
Pay it
in
forward.
another country. Yeah, and we can't wait to see that as well.
Have fun. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe. I still have marshmallow on my finger, so
I have double.
like this video if you liked
Look
it.
how stretchy it is. Look how stretchy it is.
Now we're just playing.
I can still taste that bit.